long blocks together. And after stacking the long blocks, you'll be needing the medium sized blocks. And then start stacking it from the middle. Stack all the blocks together. Here we are done stacking the long blocks and the medium sized blocks. So now you'll be needing to stack some of the small blocks. Guys, if you can see, this is the normal building we have learned to make. So for more toys to make with blocks, if you want to see more videos of blocks or more videos of toy cars or toy reviews, make sure to check it on Chipmunk's channel. So thank you and bye.